Hello friends, welcome to another Duke series. Today we are going to see a very concerning news report and we'll try to understand few of the terms out of this news report. So let's go forward. Search on for survivors as wildfires torch millions of acres in US West. So we are talking about wildfires. So fires which occur in the wild forests and millions of acres. Millions would mean 10 lakh of acres in US, the west of US. So we'll understand what are these terms highlighted in red. The geography we are talking about is US West. So this is the US West area, and primarily this is around California. So these are the wildfires which you can see are happening around the this area. The number of fires is very high. 300 plus fires are there in this particular area. That would mean so much of dust, smoke coming around in this area. So if you search for the photos of the city, many a times you will see photos where the skies have turned orange because of the so much pollution and dust in the air. What are the causes? These are generally caused. Some are caused by lightning, which is natural in this thing, and some are caused by human activity. Burnt area till now, they have estimated about 20 lakh acres have been burnt in these fires, and many are still not under control. They are still active. It's a huge problem in California. It seems to be the worst in centuries which the area has seen. So wildfires do happen on a yearly basis in all the areas because of the heat waves and change in temperature and low humidity, low rainfall. But this wildfires are increasing now year on year. Most impacted area is areas around California. Death toll reported till now is 33 and thousands are displaced. The biggest concern of California Fire Department is many people are not getting news of these fires in time, and so fire suddenly starts off and they are scrambling, so they don't get time to exit, and many of them are stuck and people are trying to save them. So that's what the report said, that the department is still looking for survivors. These are the wildfires across various parts of the world. There's a California wildfire. You can see it's all lighted up. It's orange. It's very bad. Australia, Amazon. This happened in 2019. The Brazil faced this big problem. Huge area got destroyed because of this wildfire. Spain struggled a lot for putting out the wildfire which had caught in the area. The science behind this particular thing, the major cause, if you can see, is a man-made cause. This is an analysis of wildfires of US from 92 to 2013, and we see 1.3 million human caused fires. So burning of trash and debris contributed 25%. Unknown human causes, so because they couldn't find what exactly the reason was, 22%. Heavy equipment usage, 9%, and so forth. Campfires, 4%. So people go for campfire, but then they don't put it out properly, so the small thing left behind burns the entire forest. Cigarettes on not, so cigarettes which are not completely put out sometimes result into fire. Natural causes are very less, only 16% as compared to the human-made cause. It's generally caused by lightning. So lightning are considered in two forms. There's a cold lightning and a hot lightning. So hot lightning is a lightning which happens over a long period of time, and this are generally considered as a cause of the wildfires. These are the forest loss which has occurred. So this data is from for tropical countries for 2001 to 2019. So you can see Brazil has lost 2 crore 45 lakh 21,572 acres of land. Indonesia 94 lakh. So these are huge numbers. So we are losing so many forest area in such a short time. This will result in further global warming, further rise in temperature, and more wildfires. And this is a major concern which scientists and all the governments are struggling to address. What is the risk? As I said, the wildfires are very dangerous. The frequency and severity of fire weather periods. So there are fire weather periods, like in US generally it happens around September. These periods are dry periods when you have very high temperatures, low humidity, low rainfall, and high winds. So basically, if some part catches fire because of very high wind, these fires travel a long distances, and there is no rainfall and humidity to suppress the fire element. So humans can use fire brigades and all that aeroplane based dispersal of water, but still this doesn't match the natural way of putting out fire of a rainfall, which can happen over a short period and put off the fire. So this combination is increasing every year. So scientists have estimated that the global mean length of fire weather season. So suppose a fire was weather season was for 1 month in some time back, that has increased to by 20%. So 20% would mean that now that 1 month has become 1 month plus some days, and this is increasing year on year and exponentially. So we all need to be very mindful of this whole event. It can happen anywhere, and we all need to address it together. So hope you understand the wildfire issue. You can find out more, look into more of these details, and like our this DUK series, come back to us. We'll come back with more DUK. Thank you for today.